We're gonna take a look at this, the JOBY GripTight ONE. It's a stand. It's a little tripod that's foldable. We're gonna take a look at it. See what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, first of all, let's take a look at the phone grip. Look at the phone grip. It's bendable. There's a couple solutions you can do. So if you guys can see the actual setting here that you could screw in, it could go sideways. You can screw it in sideways, or either way, it's vice versa, or upside down. There's another entry point here. Let's see if it fits a phone. We have a Galaxy 21, and we're gonna see if it fits in this case. All right, so if you're gonna use it for a large, this is pretty much the largest phone. All right, we're gonna take a look at this, how small it is. Zoom out a little bit more. You can see it, flexible. See if it grabs onto a stick. Plus, we're gonna put this part in there. Probably fit this in your pocket. Let's bring a stick, see if it hangs off in there. A knob here, right here. Knob's right there. Look at that. Loosen it up. This doesn't have a lock. Pretty much could grab in anything. Put your camera in there. Videotape. Let's see if we can put our camera there. Our phone.